First, open your Start menu and type Settings. Open your settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Proxy. Go to Use a proxy server. Press Edit. Disable Use a proxy server. Press Save. Now close your settings. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type the following command, then press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed.